In this presentation, I'm going to show you how you can use influencer marketing to grow your business. The strategy of leveraging someone else's database, celebrity, or reach to grow your business isn't a new concept. However, with social media, the game has changed. Influencer marketing has become a game changer in the world of business. Here are some ways that you can utilize this new way of reaching a broader audience to grow your business. Create an influencer marketing goal. While the goal of influencer marketing is pretty apparent, getting your business in front of more people, you need to have a clear idea of how you want it to convert to results for your business. Are you looking to create greater brand awareness? Do you hope to increase your lead generation? Your desired results will dictate how you proceed in establishing a relationship with each influencer. Know your target audience. This step is essential for any form of marketing you do. You need to know exactly who you are solving a problem for or serving a need for, and where you can find these people. There are individual companies that will do better by focusing their social media campaign on Facebook or Instagram, because this is where their target audience is found. Who you are serving and where you can find them will determine which influencers you'll utilize. Identify relevant influencers. The best influence marketers are those who are already in front of your target audience. If you produce toys and games, then you want to target individuals who have audiences that listen to their opinions and reviews. The key is finding influencers who have sway over their audience, whose fan base listen to and take action based on their recommendations. Start seeking out influencers by utilizing alerts and notifications to find people who are talking about the topics that are aligned with your business. Determine your strategy. Influencer marketing is about creating advocates for your business. This makes it essential to establish a mutually beneficial relationship with the influencers. You need to determine how you can strengthen the status of someone who is promoting your company. Can you provide them with relevant and reliable information that can't be found elsewhere? Can you create a joint product to bring something to the table that the influencer doesn't already have? Finding something that will make this a mutually beneficial arrangement will be a good investment for your business. A viable way to grow your business is by leveraging the databases and audiences of online influencers. Use these simple tips to create a clear strategy to build a win-win relationship with an influencer and watch your audience grow.